Hey y'all, it's John Deere 330. As y'all can see, I'm at a John Deere museum. Me and my dad there. This guy's got tons of tractors. So what I'm gonna do is start down here and work this little shed, then that shed, then some others. So I hope y'all like this. Alright, I'm gonna start over here with the 830 and go down the line. As y'all can see, this is a big boy right here. It's a 830 diesel John Deere. Power steering is on it. Looks pretty good too. Alright, now let's go to the 730. Up here, 730 diesel, power steering, the trike version of it. It's pretty good. Over here, it's got power steering. It's a gas model, and all these are tall. There's the other side of it. It's quite a bit small. The power steering also. All that good stuff. This one is in a little worse condition, as you can see. So this is probably my third favorite tractor, a 430. Looks pretty good. Got some bird stuff there. They're smaller. Now, my favorite tractor, which I have, is this tractor right here. It's an amazing fine one of these. It's a 330, just like mine, except this one's restored. Same weight, everything. Got a weight on the front. We don't have that. I think it looks pretty good. We plan on starting the 330 fairly soon. We don't want to wait too much longer. It's just getting in worse and worse condition. Now, I'll be coming back to that at the very end of the video, hopefully. We'll go over here to the 60 model. Yeah, model 60. Power steering, John Deere. Roll-o-matic front end. All of these have roll-o-matics. There we go. Goodness gracious. But they're all dusty. And I love to have the job just to clean them. Yeah. This here 820 is a diesel. Most of them are, as far as I know. And it's basically the same thing as the 830, just a few different design things on it. Different. Here's the other side. Here's the back of the 60. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got a John Deere H. Looks pretty good. The sun's making the paint fade out. Got a Ford. It's a Jubilee, actually, Golden Jubilee. Looks pretty good. Got a 320. That looks like a John Deere 320. And what do you call it? It's a U. Actually, that's the thing on. Let me see the tag here. There's the tag, 320U. I thought it was. Utility, that's it. It's a nice little John Deere L, or LA, whatever it is. It's one the state use, I'm thinking. Looks pretty good. These right here are hard to find too. You don't see many. I saw one up at the Denton Tractor Show, but that's all. Go over here to this, a restored John Deere L or LA. You never know, because this one, the guy doesn't have the decals on it. Looks pretty good. We were gonna buy one, but decided not to. Alright, let's go. John Deere MT. I like to have one of them too. Of course, I like to have one of every one of these. Would be nice. Let's have a flat tire or something. Yeah, right there. It's restored. All these are restored except Oh, this one, right here. John Deere L. It's in okay condition. A lot better than the 330. This guy's got other things besides John Deere's. Got himself a Silver King. The decals are starting to come off of it. Uh-oh. That's a nice looking little tractor there. These are hard to find. Then got a Farmall H. Now this is definitely different because the front end. Most H's are trikes. This one has like the wide front or whatever. I don't know what you call it that because I don't study Farmalls, study John Deere's. But I know that's rare right there. Ford 8N. It's nice. You see so many of them daggum things. Here's another 320. This is the standard version. The other was a utility. This is a nice, very nice restoration project right here. It's all done, of course. Looks good on the back there. Here's all the tractors there. Go over here. Here's Oliver, a 440, I think. So I know this right here is a 440. This one looks like a 440. Yeah, he got two of them. Restored Ford 2000. Better view there. Alright. Got ourselves a drink Coca-Cola thing. That's nice. I'd have that. Alice Chalmer G. Our neighbor's got one of these. Got a Pullin Cub Cadet. That's pretty cool looking. I'll tell you what, y'all. I'd rather have an older model though. Make a puller. Got other junk in there. Oh wait, look, here's some more tractors up here.